Hi, I'm Keegan Miles, and I'm a Client Success Manager at SAP Concur. Welcome to our Did You Know series, where I'll share best practices and tips, allowing you to creatively solve problems and enhance current processes. Today, I am sharing tips on how to empower your end users. Whether your end users are just getting started with SAP Concur and looking to learn the basics, or you are looking to provide additional comprehensive training, empowered end users lead to a better user experience, smarter spend, and greater compliance. Let's get started. First, did you know that SAP Concur offers a number of end user training resources? The SAP Concur End User Training Toolkits help support your users by providing several educational resources, such as quick reference guides to answer questions that may arise, how-to video demonstrations, and tip sheets for those good-to-know details. End users can find training toolkits for Concur Expense, Concur Travel, and Concur Invoice by going to www.concurtraining.com. Second, did you know there's a setting that, once enabled, will automatically create expense reports on behalf of your end users based on either a calendar month or a trip, complete with the associated incoming expenses? End users can choose between calendar-based expense assistant, which creates monthly reports or adds expenses to their existing reports, or trip-based expense assistant, which creates an expense report for that specific trip. Expense Assistant is automatically enabled for your company, and end users have the option to enable this feature either by month or by trip from their user profile on the Expense Preferences page. Users can also enable Expense Assistant on their mobile device using the SAP Concur mobile app under the Settings tab. Next, did you know SAP Concur offers pre-built integrations that help enhance the end user's experience by increasing efficiency, providing a better traveler experience, and helping to ensure compliance? The SAP Concur App Center is home to more than 200 plus partner connections. The popular connections category within the SAP Concur App Center is where end users can link applications to their SAP Concur profile in a secure fashion, using authentication tokens rather than manual sharing of usernames and passwords. App partners like Uber, Airbnb, and Marriott Bonvoy help end users manage their expenses more efficiently, while also giving companies the ability to improve their overall spend management and compliance. Finally, did you know SAP Concur offers dedicated support for your end users? User Support Desk provides support to your end users 24 hours a day, 7 days a week through a dedicated phone line, chat, or email. With User Support Desk, SAP Concur acts as a first point of contact. Your SAP Concur representative will be familiar with your specific system configuration and capabilities, as well as your organization's corporate policies and rules. This helps to ensure that questions from your end users are answered quickly, leading to higher compliance, better adoption, and greater overall productivity. I hope you found these tips helpful, and I encourage you to take these back to your organization and begin implementing what you've learned to ensure you are maximizing your SAP Concur solution. If you have any questions about these tips or want more information about User Support Desk, please contact your client success team. Thank you.